Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nail Nails. I've got an excited Faye in the building and we're going to do an ombre with a little framed edge.
Yeah.
It's going to look really cool. I'm going to make it matte. Faye doesn't normally do matte.
No, I don't, but I got excited about the other matte now, so I'm getting excited about this one.
We're doing it on our little tiny fingers. I do need to show you Faye's little fingers because I suppose we don't really show them together very often at all.
That's me more dominant hand, like writing and stuff, I reckon.
So we have one that has a really long nail bed and one that doesn't. And if
they are my hands.
If we put them, put your fingers, tips right on the end, right? You don't have to squish them, just, So the nail bed actually grows further down this finger. So her cuticle is actually starting further down her finger. So it's actually nothing to do, how many times can I say actually? It's nothing to do with like damage or anything like that because her nail has grown all the way to the end of her finger, as has this one.
I genuinely think it could be something to do with
your dominant hand?
Yeah.
Your right hand?
Yeah, because I write with it, because that's my right hand.
Okay, Dr. Faye, I will take that. Right, so we're going to sculpt out a ballerina shaped nail. So let's see how we struggle to fit this form. Is it any different?
You're lucky because normally it wants to go to the right and it doesn't seem as bad as what it normally is. Normally it can seem very, very, very like it's going in the wrong direction.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, you're leaving the easier now till the very last. It is. It's going off to the right. My nail. Doesn't it? Doesn't it?
Yeah, but the form isn't, is it?
No, not the form, your wedge.
We've
My nail.
counteracted it. Yeah, your nail does want to go a bit weird.
Yeah.
Let's give us the other one. Let's have a look at that one. That fit quite nice. It was fine. This one's got a higher hypernicum. We might have to tailor it. We shall see.
Yeah. You said that, didn't you? Called it before you've even done it.
Yeah, I need to just tailor it a little bit. So I'm just going to, if you look at the shape of the form, where it comes into contact with the nail, it's a totally different shape. So we're going to just cut that into a little bit more of a curve. It matches.
Tailor made. Such a show off. Liking that's just what I wanted it doing.
So these nails have already been prepped. So our natural nails already had surface shine removed with a 240 grit file. We've done the cuticle work and all of that. I've just put the dehydrator on and now we're going to put the primer on. So that's the Ultra Bond Acid Primer. And now, clear bead. Make contact with the natural nail. And then, once you've done that, we can then start to bring down product to make it nice and thin. You'll use the belly of the brush to do this because you'll want to stretch and pull. Same on this hand. Gonna give him a little bit of a pinch.
How gentle, Kirsty.
I'm gentle.
It's a little delicate finger.
I'm going to use white and also I'm going to use natural. I'm going to take a bit of white. So this is Mega White. Put out the length and drag it back to fade. Keeping the bulk of the colour towards the tip. Faye doesn't want it super white on the end. She wants it soft.
Yeah.
So the white frame stands out.
Yes.
Yes?
You've got that correct, Kirsty Meakin.
So I'm just going to build up that bit of an apex here with the natural beige. And then this gap between the two here, we're going to use natural. Because if you have a little look at natural, it's a lot softer. So we're going to go over the top of the white.
Calls it cloudy.
Cloudy, yeah, she's like, I like this cloudy. Cloudy nail, I need a cloudy.
And you can see why I think it looks cloudy though, because it's not grey, it's not white, and it ain't clear. Yeah. So it's all a bit bloody cloudy if you ask me.
So, natural in that middle section to make it cloudy.
Oh, you've got a nice slate one though.
Blank slate, yeah, but natural is got a little bit more coverage, so, and that's more of the colour that you want. Give you a buff. So we're going to use Snow White.
Ew.
Snow White. Right, so because we have a lovely C curve on this nail, yeah, if I just do a frame here, look at the overhead camera. You can't see it. So what we're going to do, so if I show you on this side so Adam can see, if I just do a line here, you won't see it from the top view. So what I'm going to do is, now if we do it there, we'll see it a lot better. So if we just raise it up like that, that's all we're going to do each side.
And that's purely because the nail isn't flat enough, isn't it?
What do you mean it isn't flat enough? It's not flat and horrible and wide, beautiful and slender.
Just like me.
And then we're going to box off here. Pop that in the lamp. I am going to go one more time just to really brighten and sharpen the Y. Nice thin coat. That in. Right, so we're going to put some aqua gel on to put the gems on, then we will go over the top with the matte.
That's really nice, that feels in there.
Right, so now we're going to go over the top with the matte. This is ultra matte, it's a brand new.
Is it? So we like a bit of brand new.
Oh yeah.
Make them laugh on the edge. Greedy baby.
Bang it in the lamp. Same again on this one. Put that in. Delish.
What with a twinning?
Oh, I love them. Let's put a bit of oil on. It's like they have their own little crown.
Yeah, it is. I love it.
They are pretty. Pretty. Hope you enjoyed this video. I am so glad to finish Faye's nails.
She's been good.
She's been good, yeah.
I think she's just a bit tired.
She's tired now, yeah. She's tired, that's why she's gone quiet. Everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check out the next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Broccoli is a human invention.
Get lost.
And Brussels sprouts.
No.
Did you know carrots were never
Orange.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen them actually purple.
They're proper, true
They're
wild
proper,
carrots.
yeah.
Even just 100 years ago, corn on the cob didn't exist.
No.
No, it was never that big. It was selective breeding.
No.
No, don't
Shame they
believe
can't
it.
do as